This case out of Lake County, Florida, shows how a series of frantic 911 calls quickly escalated into a tense confrontation between local residents, police officers, and a suspect who insisted he had done nothing wrong.
Yeah, he came like from right here, and then he approached me saying, "What's up? What's up?" I'm like, "What you talking about?"
What did it?
He pulls out a knife and tried to chase me.
What did the knife look like?
It's like a box cutter.
Like a box cutter?
Yeah.
Go back down there.
I will.
And we'll keep on looking for him. Right. If we find him, I'll come get
and
you.
After I got in the truck, got away, he went after other people.
Okay.
He got like tattoos.
Yeah.
Yeah, he be drugged up, bro. Yeah. He look like.
Do you know? Does he live in here?
Nah,
I never seen him before.
Never seen him before?
But he was like hiding behind this house right here. Cause so when we came right here, he like poked over.
Y'all hang out right here.
I've been to this house before. There is someone here that is single 20, like your mother.
Does he match the description of the religion? What's up? Like, yeah, I think there was a camera on the back too. Oh, you got a door. Door. Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on, man? How you doing? My bad.
Pretty good. You want to step outside with me real quick? Huh? Step outside with me real quick. We'll have a quick conversation.
What's up, boys?
What's going on, man?
You the only one here right now?
No, my father's upstairs.
Have you been here the whole time?
I was taking a shower.
Have you been outside at all today?
No.
No?
Where your brother at?
My brother?
Or the other kid?
And are you sure he's sleeping right now?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, he wasn't up and moving when I went by.
So nobody's left the house yet?
My mother.
Keep your hands out of your pocket for me. Appreciate you, man.
Here, I'll help you out. I got nothing in my pocket.
We've had a couple complaints that somebody was out here running around the neighborhood getting loud. All right? Have you and your brother been home all day?
Yeah.
All right. So somebody was out here running around getting loud. 3 people didn't fall for the same thing for no reason. So we're trying to make sure everybody's okay.
Did they give a description? Like what? I mean, they said.
What's your brother wearing?
I don't know. I mean, he's been in his room all day.
How about you? What have you been doing all day?
I was in my room working out for some time, and I just was taking a shower for like the past 20 minutes.
At any point in time, did you or your brother come outside and feel like somebody was bothering you, or you were angry or upset?
Right.
I'm asking.
No.
All right.
You mean confrontation with somebody?
As of right now, nobody's in trouble.
Yeah, no.
But if I can't help the person that was aggravated and running around the neighborhood,
Right.
then I've got no purpose here, and I'd really like to help whoever that was and figure out what the hell they were doing.
No, I get it.
Can you help me?
I mean, I honestly haven't seen anything. I would say it's possible that, I don't know.
Did your brother run out?
I know it's not my brother. I know it's no one in my house because we haven't left the house. So my thinking is that...
As officers canvassed the neighborhood, multiple witnesses, who didn't even know each other, pointed toward the same house, describing a shirtless man with tattoos wielding a box cutter. When police confronted the residents inside, each denied involvement, creating a swirl of confusion. Yet, bodycam footage shows how the encounter shifted from routine questioning to a physical struggle, with the suspect resisting, threatening officers, and ultimately being placed under arrest.
I mean, I honestly can't help you with that. I don't know.
All right. Hold on, man. This is the reality. I got 2 people that are pointing at this house. Okay. Saying
this house?
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
Here's your dad also. Let me get your dad.
How we doing, sir?
Hey. So we had two people pointing at this house. There's a male, dark complexion with no shirt on. Came out here. He was going crazy for a minute, and then they believe that he ran
with tattoos. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
he was outside running around yelling at people, running up to him, confronting them, talking about, "Come on, what do you want to do?" Like being confrontational with the people that were outside. And it wasn't just one person; it was several people. We got several calls for the issue. Yeah. So and then we get from everybody that we talked to, they don't know each other, and they pointed to this house here that they came from this house.
Seen him in the last 20 minutes?
No, he's not here. He's
Can you have him come out here so I can talk to him, make sure he's okay?
He says he's in jail.
He's not here. He's at jail.
So who are you talking about?
Not the youngest, but the second.
The second what?
The second in command.
Who's in the house right now?
Yeah.
My oldest son.
Meaning the one younger than me. There's 3 of us. There's 3
So
kids.
there's 3 people.
There's
including
me,
yourself
there's
in the
one
house
younger
right
than me, and then there's the youngest.
Can I see him?
The youngest is not here.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
The second oldest is...
When did he go to jail?
60.
I don't know. I wasn't here. I was in New York.
good?
Just hang out for a second.
You hang out right here, brother.
You never heard anybody outside yelling this morning or anything like that? How we doing, man? Oh, not so bad. Sorry to wake you up, man. You hear any issues? Anybody outside yelling, coming outside, confronting people? Did you have an issue with anybody today?
No,
Have you been outside today at all?
no, I just woke up.
Just woke up. So you haven't been outside at all this morning?
No.
No.
You
Okay.
got a tattoo on your right shoulder?
Tattoo on my right shoulder?
You got any tattoos?
No, I mean, I just have that and then that.
Yeah, that's not super identifiable.
Well, you didn't hear anybody outside yelling? You didn't hear anybody outside fighting with anybody? Nothing like that?
No.
No, you didn't hear anybody behind your house? Is your room in the back of the house by any chance?
No, it's not.
Are we able to confirm if he's in jail right now?
We're about to. Say with bullshit.
Huh?
Say with bullshit.
All right, we're just trying to check off all the blocks right now to make sure that everybody's where they're supposed to be at. Like I said, what we're doing now is we're trying to figure out everything that's going on, the totality of everything that's going on. We're trying to figure out placing people in certain spots. All right. As of right now, what we're getting is that either he came from behind this house or he came from this house. So everyone's pointing to this spot that the person came from. That's all we're getting. So we just need to make sure who we're talking to and what we're doing. And then if nobody's here, that's what it belongs to, then we'll continue on about our day and keep on trying to find the individual. But there was somebody out here causing enough of a ruckus where at least 6-7 people were complaining about it. So where you work out at, upstairs?
Yeah, in my room.
You got a little gym up there?
I just pushed the calisthenics.
Okay. How long you been here down from New York?
I just got back today.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
This morning?
Yeah, this morning.
Whew. And you're working out already?
Yeah.
Better than me. What time did you fly in?
Got in at 1 o'clock, 1:30, around that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then somebody pick you up?
My father.
Okay. What part of New York?
Well, I was in Manhattan, but I'm originally from the Bronx.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought you were on the phone. Yeah.
You like it up there?
Yeah. So, I mean, it's good to visit sometimes, but it's better. I like it more down here.
Yeah.
Someone was in the backyard?
We don't know if they're in your backyard or where they came from, but we're being told that an individual came from this house and went back to the area of this house.
They said dark skin with
And they were out here causing a ruckus.
Like I'm light skinned, but
They're causing a ruckus with individuals outside. So that's why we came here, because no one was with each other. There was 5 other people that were apart from each other, and as we're coming up, they're all pointing in this direction from this area. So we start here, and then if nothing's here, then we branch out. Keep it going.
yeah.
No, I'm not saying you guys. I'm just saying, like,
Sure, no, I get you.
we happen to be, like, probably one of the only black guys. That's fine.
Does anybody here does your other brother have a tattoo on his right shoulder?
No, you're
John,
not.
do me a favor. I need to see that tattoo. Would you mind taking your shirt off for me?
Oh, yeah, sure. No worries.
Let's keep it off for me, because my corporal's got to see it.
Yeah.
You can take it off.
It's just a Buddha.
You can take your shirt off, if you don't mind. Would you mind taking the shirt off?
You're just trying to see the tattoo, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to make the
Are
entire
there any other tattoos on your chest area or stomach?
Huh?
Are there any other tattoos on your chest area or stomach?
On my chest area or stomach? Yeah, I got tattoos here.
Okay, cool. Would you mind taking the whole shirt off so we can get a clear look at that? I appreciate it. Thank you. You're in the shade. Nobody's outside.
No, it's fine. I realize he's looking for ID. I'm trying to ID.
100%. 100%. I mean, there's no secret about that. That's why I'm asking you this. Because for whatever the circumstances are, I got to figure out who's out here running around. Because if that person was out here running around, they need help. Somebody needs help. One way or another, we don't get called, we get called. One way or another, we need
Somebody's got to go somewhere.
No, somebody needs help. There's a difference.
Yeah.
Okay? There's a difference between getting help and going somewhere. When we take people somewhere, it's not necessarily to get help. I'm here to get somebody help. You see what I'm saying? It's a whole different dynamic of the call, right? Now, when I'm here to investigate anything, that's going to be determined on what I have in front of me. That's why I'm here helping you do this, because I can't do it without your help. Okay? So far,
I haven't left the house. I've been, doing my thing inside. I'm not dark skinned, and I think they said I was dark skinned with tattoos. I wasn't running around, and I definitely didn't see 7 people because I haven't left the house.
Okay, gotcha.
So,
and again, through that, we're going to make sure that we're going to do our job. Keep it up for me. Mm-hmm. With that, we're going to make sure we're doing our job.
Fair enough.
You know what I mean? Because I can't leave.
Do you have outside cameras at all? Do you have outside cameras at all?
Well, he's got did he ID this?
In the back.
And the ring camera.
Is there a ring camera in the front?
Yeah.
All right. So if I look at that ring camera, if I pull the ring camera, am I not going to see you run out of the house?
What? Oh, the ring camera?
Yeah.
I mean, earlier, not with the time frame he said. No way.
All right, but what you told me was, let me first step out here for me. Yeah, because I'm gonna have you turn around because I need to see what I said. All right, step out here for me. John,
Step out that way.
here for me.
For what reason?
Because I'm gonna need to see the back tattoos. So step out here.
You see them, right? They're here. It's visible.
All right, now put your hands on top of your head. Interlock your fingers.
For what reason?
Because I'm asking.
Come on.
No, wait a minute. You're gonna get taped. Understand?
I'm gonna stop resisting.
Understand?
Stop resisting.
Let it go.
Stop resisting. Let it go, motherfucker.
Don't let it down. I got this one. I got his leg. Yep. Taking his left arm behind his back.
I did nothing wrong. I don't give a f what you talking about. As soon as you let me up, I'm gonna put my hands on you. I promise you.
You gotta try not getting up, buddy.
I don't give a f. You tell me.
In a moment not captured on body cam, John continued to resist even while on the ground. He first attempted to bite the sergeant's hand before kicking him in the left leg. After officers placed a spit mask on him, John made repeated threats to a corporal, vowing to kill him along with every law enforcement officer and firefighter on the scene. He declared that no matter how many charges were filed, he would carry out his threats. John was ultimately charged with 3 counts of resisting an officer with violence, 3 counts of battery on law enforcement, and 3 counts of threats against law enforcement. He later bonded out and was assigned a public defender. Shockingly, although the arrest took place in April 2024, the case remains unresolved as of July 2025.